Welcome to How to 360's Kitchen Creations. Today we're making savory sweet breakfast pizzas topped with sausage, apple, and gooey Gouda. Let's dive in. Here's what you need: pizza dough, cooked breakfast sausage, thin Granny Smith slices, shredded Gouda, olive oil, fresh thyme, salt and pepper, and for extra richness, a couple of eggs. First, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. If you have a pizza stone, place it inside to heat up too. Lightly flour your countertop. Roll out your dough to about a 1/4 inch thickness, whether you're making 2 small pizzas or 1 large breakfast flatbread. Brush each crust with olive oil, then sprinkle a pinch of salt, black pepper, and thyme evenly over the surface. Now the fun part: layer on the crumbled sausage, arranging the apple slices for pops of sweetness, then blanket everything with shredded Gouda. For extra breakfast vibes, crack 1 egg into the center of each pizza. The whites will bake into the cheese while the yolk stays runny, perfect for dipping. Slide the pizzas onto your preheated stone or baking sheet. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the crust turns golden and the cheese is bubbling. Once out of the oven, let the pizzas rest for 2 minutes. This keeps the cheese from running off. Finish with a few fresh thyme leaves. Slice, serve, and dig in. These sausage, apple, and Gouda breakfast pizzas are the perfect way to start your day. Thanks for watching. See you next time. All ingredients and cooking directions are in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious breakfast ideas.